morning to all of you. Today we are going to solve some problems in the chapter probability. First one, if A, B are any two events in an experiment and P of B is not equal to 1, show that P of A by B complement is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B by 1 minus P of B. By definition of conditional probability, already we know that P of A by B complement is equal to P of A intersection B complement by P of B complement. We know that A intersection B complement is equal to A minus of A intersection B. So, P of A intersection B complement is equal to P of A minus A intersection B by P of B complement is equal to 1 minus P of B. So this is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B by 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B. Next, second problem. A single die is rolled twice in succession. What is the probability that the number showing on the toss is greater than that in the first rolling? That means a single die, a die is rolling two times. The problem they are asking, find the probability that the number showing on the toss is greater than that on the first rolling. A single die is rolled twice. Single die is rolled twice. Let S be the sample space. S be the sample space. N of S is equal to 6 square, that is equal to 36. Let A be the event of getting required event. Here event is second time rolled number is greater than first time. So A is equal to, the sample points are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 6 and 5, 6. You observe this one. This is the first time roll, the uppermost space showing this number. Second time greater than this one. So here is 2. 1, 2, 1, 3 like that. N of A is equal to 15. Therefore, P of A is equal to N of A by N of S, 15 by 36, that is equal to 5 by 12. 5 by 12. The third problem, if one card is drawn at random from a pack of cards, then show that the event of getting an ace and getting heart are independent events. We know that in a set of cards there are 4 aces. Each will contain 26, black and red. There are 4 divisions: clover, 18, spade, hearts. Each one there are 13 cards. So, suppose A is the event of getting an ace and B is the event of getting a heart. Therefore, P of A is equal to 4 by 52. In a playing cards set, there are 52 cards. So, N of S is equal to 52. In that, there are 4 aces. Therefore, N of A is equal to 4. P of A is equal to N of A by N of S, that is equal to 4 by 52, that is equal to 1 by 30. P of B is equal to each, that means heart cards are 13 by 52, that is equal to 1 by 4. A intersection B is the event of getting a heart's S. A intersection B is the event of getting a heart's S. This is only 1. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 52. P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 52. This can be written like this: 1 by 13 into 1 by 4. But 1 by 13 is equal to P of A. 1 by 4 is equal to P of A. Therefore, A and B are independent events. A and B are independent events. Already we know that A, B are independent events. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Next problem. If A, B are two events with P of A and B is equal to 0.65 and P of A intersection B is equal to 0.15, then find the value of P of A complement plus P of B complement. By addition theorem, we know that P of A and B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. That implies P of A plus P of B, P of A plus P of B. Take this side. This is equal to P of A and B plus P of A intersection B. Already we know these two values. Substitute this. 0.65 plus 0.15, that is equal to 0.8. We want P of A complement plus P of B complement. A complement is equal to 1 minus P of 1 minus C. So, P of A complement is equal to 1 minus P of A plus P of B complement is equal to 1 minus P of B. 1 plus 1, 2 minus of P of A plus P of B. We know the value of P of A plus P of B is equal to 0.8. 2 minus 0.8, that is equal to 1.2. 1.2. Next problem. A and B are two independent events such that the probability of the both the events occur is 1 by 6 and the probability of both the events do not occur is 1 by 3. Find the probability of A. Find the probability of A. A and B are independent events. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, that is equal to 1 by 6. Equation number 1. P of A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1 by 3. That implies P of A and B whole complement is equal to 1 by 3. P of A and B is equal to 1 minus P of A and B complement. A and B complement. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to 2 by 3. P of A plus P of B is equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A plus P of B is equal to 2 by 3 plus P of A intersection B, that is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. Equation number 2. Here we must remember this formula. P of A union B is equal to 1 minus P of A union B complement. Just like P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A complement formula. 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. By addition theorem, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A B is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, P of A plus P of B is equal to 2 by 3 plus P of A B is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. Equation number 2. Let us assume, suppose P of A is equal to x and P of B is equal to y, so that x plus y is equal to 5 by 6, xy is equal to 1 by 6 from 1 and 2. X minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy, that is equal to 25 by 36 minus 4 into 1 by 6. If you simplify it, you will get 1 by 36. X minus y is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. Case 1. X minus y is equal to 1 by 6. X plus y is equal to 5 by 6. Adding these two. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. X minus y is equal to minus 1 by 6. Case 2. X plus y is equal to 5 by 6. Adding these two. 2x is equal to 4 by 6. That implies x is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Therefore, P of A is equal to 1 by 2 or 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Next problem. A fair die is rolled. Consider the events A is equal to 135, B is equal to 23 and C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Find P of A intersection B, P of A union B. Second one, P of A by B, P of B by A, P of A by C, P of C by A, P of B by C, P of C by B. A pair die is rolled. That means one die is rolled. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. The sample points are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P of A is equal to 3 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 2. That means n of a is equal to 3. N of s is equal to 6. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. P of b, 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. P of c is equal to 4 by 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. N of c is equal to 4. 4 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. Number 1. A intersection b is equal to 3. A intersection b is equal to 3. The common point in a and b is 3. P of a intersection b is equal to, that is equal to P of 3, that is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, P of a intersection b is equal to 1 by 6. A and b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Therefore, P of a and b is equal to 4 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Next, P of a by b by conditional probability. P of a intersection b by P of b, that is equal to 1 by 6 by 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. P of b by a. P of b intersection a by P of a. Again we are using conditional probability. 1 by 6 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 3. Next, P of a by c is equal to P of a intersection c by P of c, that is equal to 2 by 6 by 4 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. P of c by a is equal to P of c intersection a by P of a, that is equal to 2 by 6 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 3. Next, P of b by c is equal to P of b intersection c by P of c, that is equal to 2 by 6 by 4 by 6, 1 by 2. Since P of intersection c is equal to set of 2, 3. P of c by b. P of c by b is equal to P of c intersection b by P of b, that is equal to 2 by 6 by 2 by 6, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Thank you.